we've got our controller and we've got our drone ready to use. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we've got to turn this on. And the way you turn it on is you press it once, press and hold. Now it's on. Okay? So that's ready to go. Let's set that down. The drone, we do the exact same thing. We come to the back, just under the gimbal right here. We're going to take one finger, press it once, then press it and hold. You're going to hear it. It's going to make a little weird noises. You're going to see your gimbal move around. It's just getting its attitude, figuring out where it's going to go. All right, we're ready to rock and roll. Now, if you look here, it says go fly. So to go fly, all you got to do is press this button. And now you can see that the drone itself, if I point it this way, let's see if I can see myself. You can see me in the drone. So there I am. Look at me, Mr. Drone Man. All right, so I'm using this iPhone 10. Let's see if we can go ahead and start it with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the drone. And what you want to do is when you're going to take off, you want the back of the drone facing you, okay? You want it back of the drone facing you. And sometimes it takes a while for it to take off. So we're going to move over here so we got some room right there. Okay, now we're going to see if we can go ahead and get this thing to take off. Now usually to make it take off, I pull both of these back towards the middle. Let's see if that works. There we go.
Take off.
So now we did it. So you just pull them back like that. Now to get it to go up, what I need to do is I have to push this toggle forward and it should come up. There we go, we're up. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos where I show you how to do stuff with your DJI Mini 2. Peace out.